gentlemen, today we will have another review. This time it will be for I would call product which is very helpful in your world, in your life in general. So today we will have review of Carl Zeiss lens wipes. Scratch free, fast drying, streak free. It can be used for a variety of optics like phones, like smartphones, like tablets, like digital cameras, like binoculars, like lenses. I would use it for my glasses since I wear my glasses. This is a big package. Of course, when you buy bigger package you can expect better discounts. Carl Zeiss is one of the world's best companies in terms of things like optics, like lenses. As you can see, suitable for all glass and plastic spectacles, for high quality coated precision lenses, optical surface, including cameras and binoculars. Not suitable for contact lenses. For touch screen we recommend ZEISS smartphone wipes and ZEISS tablet wipes, but basically you can use these as well. I simply try to upsell you. Of course, produce it in China. Quick and easy to use. Lightly brush away dust and dirt with folded wipe. Unfold and gently clean the surface using circular movement until it's clean and dry. Dries in seconds. Only use the tissue when it's moist. It can be used, as I mentioned before, for a variety of things. About Carl Zeiss, or I would show you what's inside the box here first. So I unwrapped the thing. I guess from here it can be opened. Yeah, here, gentle and tough cleaning. Here we have the wipes, I would call them that way. Lens wipes, open here, gentle and tough cleaning. I have a variety of things which can be cleaned, but I would use it for my prescription lenses. About Carl Zeiss, I will provide you some information about this company. They're basically German manufacturer of optical system. They make variety of products. I personally use their lenses for glasses, but they have medical things like Carl Zeiss Meditech, AG. They produce medical things, but let's focus on their products. So basically they produce lenses for digital cameras. Here, as you can see, some of their products. This is their building manufacturing facility, ZEISS Star Project. They also make telescopes, camera lenses, cameras, variety of products. So they have a lot of products, I would call. Primary lenses for cameras. They are in the latest Sony smartphones. They are reintroduced again. ZEISS Otus lens. They have a lot of lenses. Here is their newer products. They are for Nikon, as you can see, but they can make lenses for every company. Nokia uses them with their pure view. Microsoft, as you can see. Sony, Carl Zeiss Vario Tessar. Most of the lenses of the Sony are Vario Tessar. Sport products, binoculars, sporting scope, peripheral scopes, vision care. They have a variety of microscopes, laser scanning they have a lot of products. A lot of products. They produced a telescope to be able to see the moon, if I remember correctly. But yeah, as you can see, micro and nano technologies, see better, photographic and film, chip manufacturing, quality, virtual worlds, develop and produce, observe and experience. Yeah, they have a lot of products, I would call. Here is another of their light sheet fluorescence microscope, ZEISS, smart life lenses, energy emotion, 3D microstructure. So yeah, ZEISS are very high in quality. Yeah, they cost a little bit more, but if you buy them in bulk, you have discounts. So that's it for today. If you like my videos, keep watching them, sharing, subscribing, liking. Until next time.